Hi everyone, welcome back to Baking Soda Kitchen. So today we are going to be making a soufflé omelette. Before that, can you go down and hit the subscribe button and ring the bell? You'll be notified every time we post a new recipe. So let's get on with today's video. Let's find out what a soufflé omelette actually is. A soufflé omelette is a simple and impressive dish. A traditional soufflé is difficult to make, but a soufflé omelette is simple and requires basic ingredients. What we need for this recipe is simple. We need 2 eggs. You can use more if you want, but I'm only using 2 in this recipe. Some pepper to your taste, and some salt to your taste as well. Now let's find out how to make this fluffy omelette. So now I'm going to crack the egg. And I'm going to separate the egg yolk and the egg white. Once it's separated, I'm going to transfer this to another bowl. So the yolk is now separated. So now that our yolks and our whites are separated, I'm going to prepare the yolks first. To the yolks, I'm going to add salt, and some freshly ground pepper. Season it to your liking. After that, we're going to whip these yolks until it becomes pale. The yolks are now well whipped. It doesn't have to become super pale, just a little bit of air incorporated in the yolks should be just fine. Now we're going to prepare the egg whites. Now here comes the fun part. We're going to use a hand mixer and whip it until it becomes cloud-like, basically stiff peaks. Now we're going to whip the egg whites on high speed for about 1 to 2 minutes until stiff peaks form. So now our egg whites are well whipped. You can choose to use a whisk, but it will require quite a bit of effort. To this mixture, now I'm going to add the seasoned yolks. After adding the yolks, we're going to mix it softly so that the stiff peaks don't break. It's okay if they break a little bit. We're just going to mix it in gently. I've now mixed it well. It's time to cook. I've now switched on the flame. In a pan, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of oil. Evenly coat the bottom of the pan. Now let's add our mixture. Let's smoothen the top. And now we cook this for 3 to 5 minutes. It has now become 3 to 5 minutes. We're going to check. Now we don't have to cook it on this side, so I'm just going to fold it into half. And press down gently. So now we're going to remove it. Our souffle omelette is now ready, and let's try it. It's really tasty. It's very fluffy and feels like you're eating a cloud. So why don't you try it out for yourself? It just requires 3 basic ingredients and it's really easy. Try it out and let us know. So that was the souffle omelette. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe and watch more of our videos. See you next time. Bye!